Assalamu alaikum grade 9 students. So our today's next three topics are Cripps mission, fate of Cripps mission and CR formula. So let's start our today's lecture. After passing Lahore resolution, Hindus' hostility towards Muslim increased further. During the World War II, England faced tough time from Japanese forces. Therefore, England needed cooperation of the Indian people. So, for that, they sent Sir Stafford Cripps, a member of cabinet, to India in March 1942 to get the support of political parties in India. Sir Stafford Cripps gave a proposal, and which following are its main points. The first point is, soon after the end of war, all India Union shall be established, which shall be sovereign in internal and foreign affairs. Second, fresh elections will be held in all the provinces. The elected members of provincial assemblies will elect a central legislative assembly which will formulate or make constitution for India. The third main point was the province intending to join the All India Union for Legislative Assembly could do so with 60% majority votes for their respective provisional assembly. Otherwise, the province will decide their further through their majority votes. Fourth point, during the war and till the forming of new constitution, the British government shall be the responsible for the defense of India. Fifth, Viceroy Administrative Council shall consist of the members of leading political parties of India. So these were the main points of Sir Stafford Cripps proposal. So now what was the fate of its Cripps mission? We will study now. After deliberations, the Muslim League turned down the Cripps proposal because there was no clear provision in them for the establishment of an independent Muslim state. The Congress and its allies had already turned hostile towards this proposal. They considered this a check of the bank that was about to corrupt. In fact, the Congress had an objection on giving option to provinces of declining any article of the constitution and become autonomous states. Now we have studied about the Cripps mission, that what was the Cripps mission and why Sir Stafford Cripps gave the proposal, and what was its proposal and what was the fate of its proposal. Now our third main topic is CR formula. So now we will study CR formula. After failure of the Cripps mission, the political situation of India had gone from bad to worse. Taking advantage of the ongoing world war situation, the Congress started Quit India movement against the British government. On August 9, 1942, the Congress passed a resolution demanding immediate freedom for India. However, due to stern measures of the government, this movement met with failure. In 1942, a prominent Congress leader, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, met Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Gandhi in order to resolve political difference between Muslim League and Congress. After knowing viewpoint of both the leader, he presented a formula called CR formula. CR's formula also stands for Chakravarti Rajagopal formula, and the main points of that formula were: the first point, if the Muslim League agrees to the formation of All India Union and will cooperate with the Congress to form interim government, then after end of the war, the Muslim majority districts in the North and East India shall be demarcated. Afterwards, plebiscite shall be held in those areas. If majority would choose separation from India, such opinion shall be honored. Second point, The case of the separation agreements shall be made between the two states on the defense, commerce and communication, etc. Third point, migration of the people from one state to the other shall be on voluntary basis. Fourth point, these conditions shall be binding only in case the British government transfer all executive powers and responsibility to the people of India. So this is all about our three main topics: Cripps mission, fate of Cripps mission and CR formula. Now if you have any sort of confusion, you can ask me on Google Classroom in the comment section, as well as you can ask me on my YouTube channel in the comment box. Till my next video, stay at home, stay safe, safe lives. Thank you very much.